Hi, my name is Lori Sloma, and I'm the Math Labs coordinator on the Fox Cities campus. We're excited to be able to offer our services to the Fond du Lac students this semester. All of our tutoring will take place online, so I want to show you how to reach us. If you go to the UW Oshkosh website and click on the Fox Cities portion, then hover over academics and scroll down to tutoring services. Here you'll see that we offer discipline-specific tutoring, a writing center, and then the Math Lab and the Developmental Math Lab. So if you're in Math 104 and above, please click on the Math Lab. And if you're in Math 100, 101, or 103, please click on the Developmental Math Lab. So once you click on one of those, you'll find that we have our information as far as our schedule and how to contact us. You'll send an email to this Fox Math Tutoring address, and one of our tutors will respond immediately with a link to the Go Board session, or let you know if they're in the midst of a session already that they'll get back to within about 20 minutes. So just watch your email for that Go Board link, and then you'll be able to connect with one of our tutors. If you have any questions, please let me know or your instructor. Hope to see you soon.